The Prajna Paramita Heart Sutra. The Prajna Paramita Heart Sutra, or simply referred to as the Heart Sutra, helps us gain wisdom through the compassion of Guan Yin Bodhisattva. The Heart Sutra is a kind of energy in heaven. It is money in underworld, and to the human world, it is wisdom. The Heart Sutra can change the inner workings of the mind and increase one's wisdom. Hence, those who are emotionally unstable, unable to see the reality of things, suffer from depression, have a bad temper, or are stubborn, they should recite the Heart Sutra. The Heart Sutra is also helpful to those who wishes to cease their bad habits, such as smoking or gambling. Finally, if you have misbehaving children, or you wish to influence your family members to have faith in Buddhism, you may consider to recite the Heart Sutra for them. For daily recitations, beginners may recite the Heart Sutra 3 or 7 times or more per day. It is recommended not to recite the Heart Sutra after 10 p.m. or during extreme weather conditions, which includes heavy rain, thunderstorms, or lightning. For more details, kindly refer to the books Introduction to Guan Yin Citta Dharma Door and Buddhism, Your Questions Answered.